Infection from coronavirus represent one of the most immediate threats to our survival. It is estimated that survivors of a serious infection will lose 10 years of life due to permanent lung damage caused by COVID-related inflammation. Fighting inflammation while supporting and strengthening our immune system may be the most important thing that we can do to avoid the devastating consequences of coronavirus infection. Researchers at the Arizona Health Science Center are discovering that the root of the turmeric plant used for centuries in cooking and ayurvedic medicine is effective against some inflammatory diseases. Turmeric is a spice that's used in Indian medical system, and it is used specifically for the inflammatory things like colds, sore throats, and arthritis. Doctors with the support from the health institution studied turmeric prevented arthritis by blocking an inflammatory response in the body. Turmeric attacks something early on. That same pathways is important in a lot of diseases, including stroke. Also, they found out that the turmeric supplement is more effective, and turmeric is an effective therapy for many of our ills. Turmeric has a strong anti-inflammatory properties and enhances immune function through multiple mechanisms. Turmeric can help boost your biological immunity by activating important immune cells like T cells, B cells, macrophages, neutrophils. And turmeric contains essential oils, manganese, potassium, vitamin E, vitamin C, calcium, iron, and zinc. Finally, because immune dysfunction also plays an important role in the development and progress of several diseases, turmeric makes an important contribution to the treatment and prevention of conditions such as obesity, metabolic syndrome, cardiovascular disorder, gastric ulcer, and even cancer. To make you feel better, start taking 1 tablespoon of turmeric every day.